Governments worldwide have recognized the importance of green subsidies in facilitating the transition towards sustainable practices. By rectifying market failures and incentivizing the adoption of clean technologies, these subsidies can contribute to a greener future while reducing associated costs. However, it is crucial to implement subsidies judiciously, ensuring they target market failures and adhere to international trade regulations, such as those set by the World Trade Organization, WTO. This video explores the potential risks of a subsidy race between major economies, emphasizing the need for collaborative efforts to maintain a level playing field and foster a rules-based global trading system. Europe's Green Deal, a step forward. The European Union, EU, has introduced an industrial plan known as the Green Deal, aiming to drive sustainable growth across member states. To counteract measures in the U.S. Inflation Reduction Act, which may disadvantage EU firms, the plan temporarily relaxes European competition rules, allowing expanded subsidies for clean tech companies. While this response addresses immediate concerns, it is vital for policymakers to consider several factors to maximize the benefits of the Green Deal and avoid potential pitfalls. Fostering multilateral cooperation, the EU should prioritize collaborative efforts with other nations to combat climate change. Establishing a common multilateral approach, such as a climate club or international carbon price floor, would enable global cooperation in addressing the climate crisis. Moreover, an agreement on subsidy use and design, supported by comprehensive analysis of their impact on climate and economic outcomes, could help ensure competitiveness, resource allocation, and cross-border trade. In the interim, open and non-discriminatory plurilateral initiatives can facilitate cooperative utilization of green subsidies. Preserving the single market and ensuring fairness, maintaining the integrity of the EU's single market is crucial. The EU's state aid rules play a vital role in preventing unequal support from governments, safeguarding fair competition among member states. While temporary relaxation of these rules is necessary, it should be limited in scope, duration, and size. Furthermore, the EU could consider providing EU-level funding to address varying capacities among member states in deploying subsidies. Coordinated fiscal support, potentially through a centrally funded scheme, can promote equitable opportunities for clean tech industries. Establishing a climate investment fund in the medium term would also aid in coordinating and financing additional public investments necessary to achieve emission reduction goals efficiently. Targeted subsidies for maximum impact. To maximize climate benefits, the EU should concentrate subsidies on activities with the greatest potential. This involves supporting the development of new clean technologies and deploying existing ones that are still in their nascent stages. By focusing on these areas, the EU can accelerate the green transition and achieve significant environmental gains. Facilitating the free flow of capital, labor, and knowledge within the single market is essential for expediting the green transition. The EU estimates that an additional €4 trillion in investment is required between 2021 and 2030 to meet emission reduction goals, with a substantial portion expected to come from private financing. Advancing toward a robust capital markets union is crucial in securing adequate private sector funding across the EU. Similarly, integrating labor markets and providing targeted training in clean tech sectors will ensure a skilled workforce capable of transitioning from shrinking industries to emerging green sectors. Additionally, the EU's commitment to utilizing carbon pricing revenues for a social climate fund demonstrates its dedication to supporting vulnerable households during the energy transition. To navigate the complexities of the green transition, Europe and the world must embrace collaborative approaches in utilizing green subsidies. By prioritizing multilateral cooperation, preserving fair competition, targeting subsidies effectively, and facilitating the free flow of resources, the EU can lead the way in achieving a sustainable future. A coordinated effort will not only maximize the benefits of green subsidies but also uphold the integrity of the global trading system, fostering economic efficiency and environmental stewardship for years to come.